Okay, here we have set up to test and clean some injectors. So here we have 100% concentrated injector cleaner. It's the solution you use on an ASNU machine, same thing. And what we have here is inside the pump is pumping at full pressure, 60 psi, and then it's being regulated under no vacuum, which simulates full throttle, and then the rest is being bypassed. So this is a full throttle run as far as pressure goes, and then we do one injector at a time. And what we're going to do is we're not going to do a flow test per se, but we're going to calculate how much, or measure at least how much is flowing in a certain amount of time. So we have a little catch can there that's graduated, and we're going to run it for 15 seconds, and we'll see what each of these injectors flows in that 15 seconds, and it should be the same. So let me start this right now. Okay, so that was about 15 seconds, and then I would take this and dump it into a more accurate measuring container, but I'm trying to do this on video, just kind of quick for fun. But anyway, so we'll take that measurement, measure it out, see how many cc's we got in 15 seconds, and that's pretty much it. So you can repeat this process if you're just trying to clean injectors, or if you want to figure out if they're all at least matched. So I'll get a couple of sets from Xterras, which is what I'm working on right now. I'll get a bunch of sets for Xterras and put them all together, and then I'll put the ones that closest match together in one single set and sell them like that. So yep, there you go.